just got to figure where pull over. Little park thing there. Sorry, can't get a frame. It's just so beautiful here, guys.
So cold though.
So what's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. We're the Caper Couple. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Hit that like button. So today, guys, with all the boredom setting in, isolation, it's a beautiful day, so we're out for a nice long drive. Right now we're in George's River, which, as you can see, there's the old store, George's Country Convenience. So we're gonna head out this way past the bridge, guys, and not sure exactly where it'll take us. Maybe Nyanza or somewhere around that area. But we'll find a nice spot. We'll get out, we'll fly the drone around, get some great aerial footage, and we'll film a bit of the ride down here too, guys, so you'll get to see what the area is like. So we'll catch you in a bit, I guess. Say hi to little Missy.
Hi, little Missy.
So I'll catch you in a bit, guys. See ya. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
The world is now getting turned into germaphobes, guys. Everybody's now a germaphobe. I feel like Howie Mandel. It's like we're like worry warts all the time now. You don't know who has this thing. You gotta be careful who you're around. We don't go around anybody anymore now. So right here, guys, is the George's River Bridge. In summer months, this is a great spot to swim. Jump off of the bridge on the left-hand side. It's a lot of fun. There's usually a crowd of people here. All kinds of bloodsuckers, though. You gotta watch out for the bloodsuckers. Okay, guys, what's up? We're just gonna stop here just before we hit Beaver Creek. It's a nice little beach area. I'm gonna shoot the drone up, get you guys a nice view of it, and then we're gonna head on out further. So to the drone and catch you later.
Catch you later.
Now entering Beaver Cove, guys. Beaver Cove. Just looking for a nice spot to stop and shoot the drone out. Well, hopefully come across. We already passed 2 so far, but we had traffic on our tail. I didn't want to stop. Well, we'll find a nice spot. Now entering Big Beach. What's the name of the spot? Big Beach. Same old stretch of road, guys. So I just want to show you a little bit of each spot at a time, and we'll continue on. Let's start the cam again, guys, because there's such a beautiful view for you. If there wasn't a home there, I'd fly the drone right there for you guys. But like I said, there's lots up here, so we'll get you some nice footage. We'll get you guys some nice footage, guys. Christmas Island. Now entering Christmas Island, guys. Never up here, were you? Huh? Castle Bay, Ascazoni, and East Bay on the left, guys. We're not going that way, though. We're going to Grand Narrows. Another 2 kilometers. 3 more to Iona. So, beautiful sight up here, guys. So, I'm going to shut her down again. Just wanted to show you guys a little bit of the view here. I'll catch you guys back in a bit. So guys, we bypassed Grand Narrows Road and we're heading into Little Narrows in Iona. Yeah, this is where I wanted to go. Isn't it nice looking here, people? What do you think of this spot? Really nice looking spot here. I think this is the spot where I may get the drone out. Can't get down there. See the train bridge? This is the spot where I want to fly it. Beautiful little spot, guys. Iona. Now I just got to figure where to pull over. Little park thing there. I have to turn around. Park where buddy's parked. Actually, I don't know where to the post office. Fly it up there. What's up, guys? We're now here. We're in Iona. We wanted to stop here because it's just, sorry, can't get it frame. It's just so beautiful here, guys.
So cold though.
So, it's not that cold. She's just got a chill indoor. So you take a look at that train bridge. We just came across the bridge right next to it. It's just beautiful here, guys. I'm gonna try and put the drone up here and get a little bit of footage. See if I can fly it here for you guys. It's a little gust of wind, but it's not too bad. I should be okay. I'm gonna take a walk down over this bank here and I'm gonna launch it from there, guys. A little beach down there. So like I say, I'm gonna get it up in the air. Give you guys a nice view of Iona. So here's the area. With all that being said, guys, catch you back in a bit. What's up, guys? We're back. Wasn't that cool? It's a little hard to fly it around here because it's a populated area, but I was pretty careful with it. I stayed out over the water, which is pretty scary for me, flying a drone that's almost $1,000 and worrying about losing it in the drink. But there's some cool footage for you guys. We're gonna head back home. There's a few openings. I may stop at one or two and get a little more to add to it. But until next time, guys, continue subscribing. Give us a like, comment down below. Make sure your post notifications are on, guys, so you'll catch our videos. And until the next one,
Catch you later.
bye, guys.